Good morning, students. So now we are going to continue the chapter Footprints Without Feet, the rest of the part. In the last video, we have seen Griffin, the main character or the invisible man, that he robbed the house of clergyman, the neighbor, and when he went downstairs with a rod firmly grasping in his hand, and suddenly he opened the door and he said surrender, but now he was surprised to see that the room was empty. Nothing, nobody was there inside the room. His wife checked everywhere, behind the curtains, plus up the chimney, everywhere that she checked, but they found the room empty. But one thing the couple noticed, clergyman and his wife, that the desk drawer, it means drawer had been opened, and the housekeeping money was missing. It means something happened. It means money robbed. So that clergyman, that he throughout the day that he was saying that it is an extraordinary thing, extraordinary affair which took place there. So, but it was not as extraordinary as the incident of the furniture which took place at the inn. It means who was the owner of the inn? Mrs. Hall. So what happened one day that and on the same day, for example, at the night, in the early morning, the burglary took place at a clergyman's house. Now in the morning, both husband and wife, it means couple, they were up very early. So that time they noticed the door of Griffin's room that was wide open. Usually the door remains shut and locked. When they noticed that, they thought that it is the best chance for them to see, because usually that he did not keep the door open. So that is why when they peeped inside the room, looking that nobody was there, that time they found nobody there. Only they noticed a few things, that the old clothes, for example, or the clothes and the bandages which he wore, that they were lying here and there in the room. It means around the room. And that man Griffin, that he was not inside the room. So after some time, what happened? Suddenly they noticed a few things, especially Mrs. Hall. When she was looking around the room, both husband and wife, but at the same time, Mrs. Hall, that she heard a sneak noise to her ear. So that time she was surprised, and suddenly one more thing that she observed, which thing that he saw, the bedpost especially, the bedpost lit up, jumped up, it means suddenly started floating in the air, the bedpost, and it dashed into her face. It means it attacked to Mrs. Hall, that bedpost. And suddenly, one more thing, especially the bedroom chair. First thing, that bedpost, we have seen it lift up suddenly. Second thing, bedroom chair, they became alive and started springing into the air. Bedroom chair. And it suddenly attacked at Mrs. Hall, it means at her. And so that is why, and that chair compelled Mrs. Hall and Mr. Hall to push out of the room, or to go out of the room. Both of them were turned into terror, and especially the foremost or the legs of the chair compelled them or pushed them out of the room. So after that, especially Mrs. Hall, that she fell down the stairs in hysterics. She did not understand what was happening, could not understand, getting. She was almost in unconscious mind. How the furniture suddenly became alive and it attacked at her because that furniture belongs to her own furniture. So she was shocked, Mrs. Hall, and she at that time that she convinced that the room was haunted by the spirits. And the question comes here, why did it or what happened by which Mrs. Hall convinced the room was haunted by spirits? Because of this incident, when suddenly the furniture in that room, Griffin's room, became alive and it attacked Mrs. Hall or the couple. So because of that, they convinced or Mrs. Hall specially that the room was haunted by spirits. Clear? Next. And she also thought that it happened because of Griffin only, that invisible man. He made something, he had done something, so that is why the furniture of that room became alive and attacked her. So the next point is coming. Griffin suspected as a thief, and especially the people that they were talking about, right? The feeling of especially around that Epping village or the people, they were talking about the witchcraft, that this is the result of the witchcraft. And Mrs. Hall already she was shocked because the same chair used by her mother, by her poor mother, and now see that the chair has attacked her. So that is why she moaned. When the people of Epping village or the neighborhood, they were thinking about this result of witchcrafts, when because of which that furniture became alive. But at the same time, the people came to know about news. Which news? The burglary which took place last night at clergyman's house. It means somebody had dropped the clergyman's money or his house. People became known by this news. And so that is why everybody grew suspicious about this man, Griffin, invisible man. And that suspicion grew more, became stronger when he produced ready cash to Mrs. Hall, who Griffin produced. Because not long before, only 2 or 3 days before, that it means he had told Mrs. Hall, Griffin told Mrs. Hall that I don't have the money. And anytime I am expecting a cash or some money. And now see, last night burglary took place at clergyman's house, and the same morning Griffin had produced ready cash. So that is why the suspicion grew more. Definitely, it means whose hand he had a hand in it. Whose Griffin had a hand in this burglary, that they convinced all the people. So up to that next point, the truth is out. Without any delay, the people sent for the constable, for the police, and the name of that is Constable Jaffer. Name is given. But Mrs. Hall, she did not wait for the constable. What she did, directly that she went to Griffin or the invisible man to ask him what was going on. And when she went there, at that time she saw Griffin, invisible man, that mysteriously that he appeared from the room. Because when they first time checked the room, the couple, Mr. and Mrs. Hall, that time the room was empty. But now, what happened then suddenly? How is it possible? Griffin, invisible man, that he appeared from the room, that he came out of the room, same room. So she asked him the questions, especially the 2 questions. What do you have? The first question, what you have been doing with my chair upstairs? First question asked about the chair. because the chair attacked at her face. So the first question she asked. Second question that she asked him that how you came out of an empty room, because when they had checked the room that time it was an empty, but the man now he came from the same room, empty room. How is it possible? And one more thing, that how you entered, how did you enter a locked room? The room was empty first, plus the room was locked. So how did you come from that empty room and the locked room? She asked the question. So the man, already we know that he was highly tempered person, gripping, invisible man. So he lost his temper and he became furious. Furious means he became angry now. And he shouted at Mrs. Hall and he said to her, what did he say to her? That you don't understand? Do you want to know that who am I? So in this manner, what he did, he shouted and he said, very well, that I will show now, who am I? And in this way, what he did, that he started removing all his, removing his bandages, his glasses, whiskers, and his nose also. Within a minute, that he removed each and everything, and he became a headless man. Everyone surprised at that time. People, Mrs. Hall, all were in shock. That because this, now that they were looking at a headless person, so that is why everyone was shocked, especially people and Mrs. Hall. So in this way, because of his nature, curious nature, now he revealed his real identity, a headless person or an invisible man. It means Mrs. Hall compelled him to reveal his identity, to unveil the real nature, and at last, due to his highly tempered nature, that he came forward and he revealed his true identity before the people and Mrs. Hall. So everyone was surprised by seeing a headless person, a headless man, right? So this is all about the 3-4 points. One point is left, plus the theme that we will continue in the one more video.